Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create gradient text with an outline in Canva, the full 2026 method. It looks super clean and you can use it for thumbnails, banners, pretty much anything. So let's jump right in. All right, first thing, open a new design. Any size is fine. I mean, whatever you're working on, just open a blank canvas. Now add your text. Click the text button on the left, choose a heading, and type whatever you want. You can adjust the font, the size, yeah, just get it looking the way you want before we add the gradient. Okay, so here's the part that people miss. Canva doesn't have a built-in text gradient yet, so we're using the gradient element trick. Search for gradient in the Elements tab and pick a clean, simple gradient shape. Place the gradient behind your text, stretch it so it fully covers the letters, and then, yeah, select both pieces and click Group for now. Now we're gonna mask the gradient inside the text. Search for the frame letters, the alphabet frames, type letter frames in the search bar, and grab the letters you need. Place each letter over your text, match the size, and drop the grouped gradient into the frames. Canva will snap it in automatically. All right, now for the outline, this part's easy. Select your framed gradient text, then click the Effects panel. Choose Outline, pick your outline color, and adjust the thickness. I usually keep it somewhere in the middle so it doesn't overpower the gradient. And that's it. You've got clean gradient text with a smooth outline, all inside Canva, full 2026 style. Use it for your thumbnails, your posters, whatever you're designing. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one.